Is on deck. That would be the spot that Dansby Swanson occupies on the lineup card. But Tim, you saw something in between breaks.
Yeah,
that leads us to wonder why.
Yeah, I saw Tyler overthrow the pitcher a little bit, hit Swanson right in the shin. It looked like he got it pretty good. I wonder if that's a reason why he's out of the game.
I will guarantee you they don't stand behind the mound anymore to have their little conversation.
Yeah,
it's in harm's way.
Yeah.
And that got Stephen Vogt, and he goes down.
Oh, no.
Well, you can sort of take a guess on this one, Xavi, unfortunately.
Yeah, I think him rolling around kind of said it all.
That's Carson Blair, who is the third catcher. Generally, with the expanded rosters in September, teams will always call up a third catcher.
For Jose.
Oh, down he goes. Boy, Iglesias in pain right now. Where did that one catch him?
It looks like he swung the bat and just hit his hand. To me, I don't know for sure, but he's in pain like that ball hit him directly, even though he swung at it. Oh, maybe not.
Nope, I think we all know what happened. Yep, and Iglesias right now is in some major pain at home plate. So Cueto has gotten ahead 1-2 in a very painful manner for Iglesias.
We'll give you one quick look at it.
Ouch.
That's a direct hit.
Catching his pitch is the former chairman of the Jimmy Fund, Mike Andrews. All right, Jordan, fire it in there. Catching his pitch is the former chairman of the Jimmy Fund, Mike Andrews. All right, Jordan, fire it in there.
Goldschmidt trying to golf that, and Fedorovich is hurting. Timeout. 0-1 the count. The Dodgers now are going to talk about possible interference, allowing Goldschmidt to go to first. We had interference on a foul ball charged against the Dodgers in the Giants series when Adrian Gonzalez stayed at the plate on a little foul. The glove, though, the tipping of the catcher's mitt, and Goldschmidt is indeed awarded first. It's truly legitimate. Conti.
Aoki sliding miss as the ball hit his glove but didn't stick in his glove.
Too bad he couldn't hang on to that one. As he ran a long way, he earned it. Just couldn't get his glove hand extended out far enough. Misjudged it on the slide.
Well, now we know why he had that expression on his face.
He played that off pretty well because
he looks like he's perfectly fine now.
Right. Yeah. Some guys are comfortable sliding and making a catch, and other guys go head first, make the catch.
Of course, he's not a base stealer. He seems like he's all or nothing. 8 home runs, 20 ribbies. He is hitting for a good average, 29 hits in his 95
Second foul ball that's nailed an Indians player. This one got Yan Gomes pretty good, and out comes James Quinlan again with Terry Francona. Wow, are you kidding me? I mean, this is in the span of about 5 minutes. 2 Indians players dropped by foul balls. Seattle out to a 2-0 lead on a first inning. 2-out, 2-run homer by Nelson Cruz, as we'll take another look here.
Oh, well, this is like what happened back in Cleveland when we were there. That umpire that we had in that one game hit twice and had to, you know, take a spell and a breather both times. There's absolutely nothing you could do there.
The same thing. Oh, he hit Reyes, and he is hurt. Reyes diving back into first base.
You could hear that ball hit him. Not real sure where it got him, in the ribs or in the elbow.
I think it got him in the protective cup. And I think that's why he is bent over in a lot of pain. He dove back in trying to beat the throw to first. It was offline. Loney never got a glove on it. So it hit Reyes on the fly.
Two throws over. This one a little bit harder from Archer. And you're right.
George Poulos, there's not much he can do other than try to comfort Reyes, but you just got to let that thing calm down, and it was something that you can hear.
And the 0-2 hit sharply down to third, off the glove of Uribe, and by the time he gets to the ball, it dropped right beside him. No throw, and he is down right now. That ball must have got a piece of him, and he is on his knees in pain.
He gets hit below the belt, and he is down and has not moved.
Wow, he is in some pain. That was a down goes Frazier right there.
Yeah.
Fouled. Manny Gonzalez might have gotten a little bit of that. 2 balls and 2 strikes the count in the Freeway Series. Foul ball got Manny on the right leg. Hits the ground and nailed him more than the right leg. Are you okay? I'm okay.